A very good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss your exercise 14 of mental maths. So, your very first question is you have to take 4 from 400. When you will take, you have to take the carry from 4, not from the 0. So, this will become 3 and here it will be 10. Then, after taking a borrow from here, you will get 9 and here 10. 10 minus 4, 6. 9 and 3. So your answer is 396. Next question is here, what is the sum of 6, 15 and 9? That you have to add all these three numbers that you can do by yourself. Then next is here, how many months are there in 1.5 year? So all of you might be knowing that 1 year equals to 12 months and half year equals to 6 months. So 1.5 will be equal to 12 plus 6, that comes out to be 18 months. Next is your question number 4. What is the next number? 50 is given to you, after that 55, 60, then you have to find the next two numbers. So you can visualize the pattern that 50 plus 5 gives you 55, 55 plus 5 gives you 60, then 60 plus 5 gives you 65 and 65 plus 5 gives you 70. So this is the answer, 65 and 70. Next is yours. A prize is shared equally between two girls. One prize is there, as you can see, this is one prize and it is to be shared equally between two girls. So we will divide it from half. So what fraction of the prize will each girl get? So you can see they will get half, half. So the fraction is half. Next question is, which is the odd one out? You can see that the A figure, this is your plane figure, B is this is your rectangle, this is your cube and this is your prism. So you can see both B and C, they are in 3 dimension, whereas A is your plane figure. Next is your question number 7. What is the sum of 8, 10 and 8, 11 and 9? You will add all these and you will get answer 28. Next is your question number 8, that you have to take 5 from 500. So as explained to you earlier, that you have to take the borrow from here. So here it will be 4, this will become 10. So 10 will become 9 when we will take the borrow from it, and the answer that we will be getting will be 495. Next is your question number 10. How many 1/4 hours are there in half an hour? So this clock you might be seeing that this is 12, this is 3, this is 6 and this is 9. So half an hour is this, starting from 12 to 6. So 1/4 part, this is 1/4 and this is again 1/4. So how many 1/4 part are there in half hour? There are 2 1/4 hours in half an hour. Next is your 5 is double of 10. Double 5 equals to 10. What is double of 10? So either way you can do, you can either add 10 plus 10 and you will get 20, or either you can multiply 2 into 10, you will also get 20. Any of the way you can use to find out this. Next is your question number 12. Which number does not belong? So these are the numbers given to you. You have to find which one is the odd one out. So you can see here that 52 and then is 48. So 52 minus 4 is 48. 48 minus 4 is 44. 44 minus 4 is 40. Then 40 minus 2 is 38. So you can see that 38 is the odd one out. So your answer is 38. Next is your question number 14. So in this type of questions, what you have to do, you have to either add the row or the column. You can use any method. Here I am using the row method, that 2 plus 4 plus 3 is your 9. the sum of each row and each column will be 9. So we have to find a here, so we will use this row. 3 plus a plus 4 equals to 9. So 3 plus 4 comes out to be 7. A plus 7 equals to 9. A equals to 9 minus 7. A equals to 2. Next, your last question. What number is shown on this abacus? So you have to count the number of beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So at the unit place it is 5. Tens place nothing is there, so it will be 0, and 100 place it is 1. So your number is 105. Thank you.